With severe winter weather on the way, Mayor Linda Gorton says Lexington is prepared to keep everyone safe.
Following the snow and ice storm in January, Gorton says key areas of improvement have been identified and will be put into action this time around. Concerns from community members following January's winter storm forced the city to rethink its weather plan. Mayor Linda Gorton says several changes are in motion and multiple divisions are working together to make them happen. Improvements include adding more plows and transferring manpower.
We've hired a number of contractors who will help as needed with neighborhood streets, sidewalks, and downed trees and limbs.
Crews have already been treating roads ahead of the anticipated snow.
We have an ample supply of rock salt and beet heat, and we've actually ordered more in anticipation of what we would use in this event.
Mayor Gorton says continued communication with Fayette County Public Schools has also been key. The school system is now able to work with the city's Emergency Operations Center.
We've made adjustments, and we'll have somebody at the transportation terminal that our road crews can report back to as we get intelligence on the highways and things.
The police and fire departments are adjusting staff levels for emergency response needs. Officers encourage drivers to prepare well in case they get stranded.
Extra warm clothing and blankets for everyone in your vehicle, water and food, any needed medications, an ice scraper and a shovel, and a phone charger.
Officials say incoming rain could also lead to flooding in certain areas.
Turn around, don't drown. It only takes a couple of inches of water for a small vehicle to become stranded.
Mayor Gorton noted that all hands are on deck to help everyone weather the storm.
We're working together, we're working hard, and we're pretty confident we can maneuver in the snow and get what needs done.
You can find the latest on city snow removal, delays, and closings on the city's website.